Welcome to the NTS blog. We provide free astrology services for everyone. You can get in touch with us through our chat option on the NTS site, or you can give us a call. Today our topic is Vastu tips for couple bedroom for better relationship. The Vastu of a couple's room assumes a vital part to make their relationship or wedded life more joyful. Each spot in your home ought to be arranged by Vastu, so it begins getting related with inspiration. In any case, the room bearing, room tones, lights, reflect and bed position straightforwardly impact your relationship. Very first thing is bedroom's direction. Your room ought to be situated the northwest or southwest way. As indicated by Room Vastu for couples, these bearings help with further developing adoration and comprehension among the accomplices. Second, no beam of light crossing the bed. The intersection of even a solitary lighting apparatus directly over the bed is ominous, and subsequently, your room ought not to help something similar. It prompts a few inadequacies in the couple's well-being. Third, keep it stress-free. Your room ought to be tranquil, and for that, you can keep different devices, like chargers, iPads, and PCs, in another room. Fourth, the head should be towards the south direction. You ought to consistently put your room's bed to make your head point towards the south bearing. It will help you a great deal in getting great rest. Fifth, take care of the colors. One of the best Vastu tips for the bedroom for married couples is that you should always look out for brighter colors. These include orange, yellow, blue, and pink. On the other hand, you should avoid dark colors, such as black, gray, and dark brown. Sixth, mirror's placement. One of the main Vastu tips for the room for a married couple is the mirror situation. You should ensure that it's not put toward the front of your bed. Seventh, opt for wooden beds. Wooden beds are continually learned to work with you with more smoking energy. Strangely, metal beds are known to deliver cold energy. Like this, you should pick wooden furniture for your room. Eighth, look out for fresh flowers. Many individuals pay special attention to fake blossoms to enrich their rooms. Be that as it may, as indicated by Vastu Shastra, you should consistently pick new blossoms. They will add aroma and energy to your place. Ninth, fancy lampshades. Remember to add extravagant light shades to your room. They will upgrade the tasteful allure and lead to the improvement in your room's exotic nature. Now, which direction is right for sleeping as per Vastu Shastra? Great rest infers the resting state where our body doesn't move, notwithstanding, the cerebrum is in an unaware condition. Exactly when you are not resting the right way, the rest cycle gets upset. Consequently, consider the proper resting heading according to Vastu. The old norms of Vastu Shastra can be easily applied to the snoozing position while masterminding the insides for another home or rebuilding the current one. So, here we have some Vastu Shastra tips to understand which side of the bed or sleeping direction is good for sleep according to Vastu Shastra. First, laying down with head towards south. According to Vastu, this is the proper dozing position, especially in the circumstance that you are in the northern portion of the globe. The bearing forms a sensation of delight and joy. Similarly, the rest in this position is of the best quality. South is identified with positive imperativeness. Therefore, if you rest toward this way, changes will without a doubt happen, and they would make you rest easy thinking about the present. Second, laying down with head towards west. This dozing position isn't just about as accommodating as east or south, yet if you are looking for progress, by then, as indicated by Vastu Shastra, you should keep your head towards this course while resting. At the same time, this decision can reduce any unwanted negative energies in your day-to-day existence. Third, laying down with head towards north. This is one bearing you should avoid altogether. Our heart is almost at the focal point of our body, and the veins that go up towards the brain are significantly better and don't manage the bloodstream well. If you rest toward this way, by then, your blood starts streaming more towards your head due to the Earth's gravitational field. You can't help thinking about why. Your blood has iron in it. This could contrarily affect your well-being. The Earth's gravitational power extends the circulatory system towards the head without you checking it. If the stream expands, it could provoke a speedy channel. This can adversely affect your memory. Fourth, laying down with head towards east. The eastern side is an excellent wellspring of good energies and power, as per Vastu. If you decide to rest toward this path, you would verifiably feel better in the initial segment of the day. It triggers excellent energies and is one of the most awesome Vastu tips to keep you loose. The position is valuable for concentrating as well, as it assists with better concentration. Fifth, inclining resting directions, in corner axis. Avoid setting down with head towards the northeast course. Southwest and southeast are seen as okay napping courses for the corner-to-corner room headings. You should take a look at your dozing position, according to Vastu. This is the reason Vastu experts have for quite a while focused on developing a suitable snoozing place that can help with keeping up our physical, mental, and enthusiastic strength. Now let's talk about Vastu for bathroom. Individuals give incredible consideration to Vastu Shastra when planning their family rooms and rooms. In any case, it isn't true to ignore the development of the washroom and latrine. Colossally affected by water energies, a Vastu dosh in your washroom can prompt monetary and medical problems. Consequently, it would help if you planned your latrine and washroom as indicated by the guidelines of Vastu Shastra to stay away from any pessimism. Here in this article, we've shared the 10 Vastu tips for the best course, area, entryway types, and so on for the bathroom, according to Vastu. How about we start the sorts of the entryway? Vastu tips for bathroom. First, wooden door. The points of interest of the restroom entryway are generally not thought of. According to Vastu, you ought to consistently introduce a wooden entryway. In your washroom, this is because metal entryways encourage pessimism that could disturb the smooth working of your life. Second, keep the door shut. To keep away negative energy from crawling into your home, you should keep the restroom entryway shut consistently. If you're stressed over it not evaporating, you ought to introduce a ventilator to accelerate the interaction. Third, avoid sharing a wall. A fundamental restroom heading, according to Vastu, is that the latrine ought not to impart a divider to the kitchen or the puja room. This is done to check negative energies in your home. Besides, if your bed and latrine share a divider, you may get bad dreams. It's, along these lines, better to move your bed a good ways off from the divider. Fourth, use pastel shades. According to Vastu Shastra, you should utilize the light or impartial shadings to paint the dividers of your washroom. Pastel tones are additionally encouraged. Notwithstanding, make a point to stay away from colors that are dull as they can amass cynicism. Fifth, best location for the bathroom. The northwest part of your home is the ideal direction for the bathroom as per Vastu. You should also keep in mind to not have a bathroom that directly faces the bed. Sixth, the direction of the drainage. Vastu Shastra says that the ideal path for drainage and outlet of water is in the north, east, or northeast part of the home. Therefore, you should make sure that the drainage in your home is in the proper direction. Seventh, placement of the toilet. Construct the toilet commode 2 feet above ground level. While you do that, also make sure that it doesn't face the east or west direction. Eighth, installation of taps. According to Vastu experts, taps should never be installed facing the southwest or southeast directions. Doing so could lead to problems in the house. Ninth, ventilation in the bathrooms. Proper ventilation is not only good for your health but is also advised by Vastu experts. In your bathroom, make sure that the exhaust fan or bathroom window faces the east or northeast direction. 10th, the direction of the shower. According to Vastu Shastra, the wash basin and the shower should be placed in the east. In case that's not accessible, place it in the north or northeast direction of the bathroom. 11th, placement of mirrors. The north or east directions are the best locations in the bathroom to place your mirror. Doing this will help you accumulate positive vibes. When it comes to Vastu Shastra, most people forget the toilets and bathrooms. However, if they aren't built in line with the rules of Vastu, they can become sources of negative energy. By following the above Vastu tips for your bathroom, you can ensure that your bathroom is free from any dosh. Let's talk about colors. Best color combination for kitchen as per Vastu Shastra. As per Vastu Shastra, the kitchen is the force to be reckoned with of positive energy. Nutritious food prepared here scatters that energy to the whole family. At the point when kitchens are worked according to the rules of Vastu, this energy supports the well-being of the family. This Vastu tip discusses the best tones for the kitchen just as their interesting importance. First, kitchen and Vastu. Food is viewed as consecrated in Hindu culture, and where it is cooked requires extreme attention to detail. When you make a kitchen, you ought to guarantee it is worked according to Vastu rules. Once done, ensure it's painted in the right tones too. Second, choose the right color. By choosing the right Vastu tones for the kitchen, you will want to receive various rewards. When you know the arrangement of your kitchen, just as the change you need in your life, you can undoubtedly pick the shading that would fit entirely in your home. Third, best colors for kitchen as per Vastu. Check out which color is best for your kitchen according to Vastu Shastra. Fourth, saffron color. Saffron ought to be a great decision for the people who love good faith and need solid connections. Appropriate for kitchens confronting the east, saffron helps in making individuals braver and empowers them to work at their maximum capacity. Fifth, white color. White represents virtue and guiltlessness. As indicated by Vastu Shastra, painting the kitchen in white will carry harmony to the whole family. It will likewise assist with making connections more steady and legit. Painting the kitchen white is most advantageous when it's confronting the northwest course. Sixth, green color. Choosing Vastu tones can be troublesome. Be that as it may, you can never turn out badly with green. It's an image of nature. However, it likewise represents agreement. Painting your kitchen green can draw out mitigating energy, allowing you to partake in the substance of tranquility in your life. Seventh, pink color. Pink represents love, a typical inclination in the kitchen of glad families. On the off chance that you wish to fortify the bond in your family, paint your kitchen in the shade of adoration. Doing this will bring individuals close, so they feast together and share stories while having food. Eighth, brick orange color. Picking block orange tone can acquire more energy and incitement your life. When you paint your kitchen in this tone, it'll assist you with conquering different issues and will likewise favor your home with success. This shading functions admirably for kitchens confronting the southeast bearing. Ninth, brown color. This Vastu supported shading carries warmth to the home as well as a sensation of happiness. Paint your kitchen in brown to make a glad climate. Earthy colored functions admirably for kitchens confronting the northwest bearing. 10th, yellow color. Yellow is one of the most incredible Vastu tones for your kitchen. It gives out newness and glad energy that can cheer anybody. When added to the kitchen, it invigorates satisfaction in your life. This shading sets well with the kitchen that doesn't get immediate daylight. 11th, significance of Vastu colors. Vastu colors serve double goals. First, they channelize positive energy in your life, and second, they additionally add a scramble of tastefulness and class to your kitchen. To channelize this energy appropriately, make sure to utilize normal tones over manufactured ones. For more updates on Vastu tips, stay tuned to the NTS blog. Please like, subscribe and share. For more new updates, don't forget to press the bell icon so you will not miss any new updates on NTS blog. Thanks for watching.